All right. Hey, Russell Liebowitz here, founder of Recruitemy, and I'm here with one of our newer members, Yanick Dalomba with JVH Surgical Associates. They do medical staffing and recruiting. Yanick, it's great to see you.
Great to see you, Russ. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. Well, I know you've had some really good success in the beginning weeks here, about a month or two in, with your biz dev efforts. You've been tasked with trying to identify hiring managers, decision makers within your niche in medical. And when you first, before you came on board, you expressed to me getting new meetings, building up your sales pipeline, getting new jobs. Obviously, was something that you were trying to achieve at a greater scale. So maybe tell the audience, what has Recruitemy done for you so far in short order?
Absolutely. Again, thanks, Ross, and to your team. You guys have just been fantastic, very transparent and supportive. So really appreciate you. Yeah, been with you guys for a couple months now, and I think what really set the foundation for me is just how much you poured into me in the beginning, and provided your resources and tools to get me launched successfully. So yeah, I mean, for individuals that may be new at recruiting, or even some seasoned individuals, I'll tell you, it's definitely beneficial to work with Russ and his team. They have the right resources, the right tools, and incredible support. So I think what I did for the first 48 hours is I really looked at all your content that you provided, the videos. I spent many hours on that, became very efficient, if you will, with creating my campaigns. So what also helped was your messaging sequence. So I tweaked that to my industry, of course, and I've just seen great results. I'm getting a lot of leads, getting a lot of meetings with decision makers. Every day I have individuals who are looking to be placed. However, as you mentioned, we're really looking to sign up or receive contracts with establishments and just fulfill on a monthly basis. Yeah. So we've just seen incredible results. It's been fantastic.
So Yanick, I appreciate that. Would you say, so the tool that our members use, we have 93 members now. So the main tool that we use, you mentioned the messaging sequences. Has it been very beneficial for you to kind of work on a broader scale, like to cast a wider net and have some automation? How has that changed things for you?
Yeah, that's really helped a lot. And especially in these uncertain times, it's definitely the new norm, if you will, out there. But yeah, it's helped a lot. And I'll tell you, we have the weekly calls, which have just been fantastic. You have a lot of veterans, a lot of seasoned individuals on those calls. I really appreciate you for the calls. I tried to never miss those calls because they're so beneficial. But you have some newbies on the
I learn new things in those calls. Every Thursday at 1 p.m. we do what Yanick's referring to as our Recruitemy membership call, which to piggyback off what you're saying is just like all of us are staffing members. We own staffing companies. We're recruiters working for staffing companies, just sharing our marketing tactics, what's working, what's not working. I didn't mean to cut you off, but go ahead.
No, absolutely. Thank you. Yeah, over 50 years of just extensive knowledge and wisdom. I leave there with a notebook full of just new information. Honestly, it's priceless. So there's, at any given time, I don't even know, 10, 15, 20 people on the call. And everyone just wants to support one another, provide resources, tools, what's working for individuals, what's not working. And everyone it's not a competitive forum, if you will. Everyone works together. So it's everyone lifting one another up. So it's great.
Yeah, Yanick, can't thank you enough again for your contribution, your participation in Recruitemy. You've been a great asset. I'm so happy to have you. I'm happy to see your success as well, week in and week out. Is there anything else you wanted to add before we kind of hang up here?
Yeah, if you guys are considering jumping on board with Russ and his team, I behoove you to do so. It's been amazing for me and in my team, and it's really catapulted my business. So again, if you're a newbie or veteran, there's a lot to learn and a ton of resources and tools. Russ has been at this for a while, and he's been very successful at what he does. So honored and blessed, bud. Really appreciate it, and look forward to our next call next week.
Yeah, Yanick, I'll see you on the group call coming up here. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you.